Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing a viral video I've been seeing, a viral challenge I've been seeing everywhere, TikTok and here on Facebook, on YouTube. So I decided to try it because I have black spots. Yeah. So the challenge says we're going to use Colgate, Colgate and Vaseline. So I'm going to be applying Colgate and Vaseline on my face and see if it's going to take away my black spots, because I heard it's for pimples and for black spots. So I have two Colgates here. This is the one I started using, is the charcoal Colgate. Then this is the clean mint. Yeah, so people have been using this one. I think it's not yet open. I think this is the one people have been using, but this is the one I'm using currently. So I think I'll be going in with this one. Yes, so I'll be going in with this one. It should be the same thing. Yes, just black and white. So let's try it. A little Colgate. Yeah. And a little Vaseline. This is the concealer I'm going to be using. Very little. So guys, I'm done mixing it. Let me apply it on my face. I'm so scared because I have a very sensitive skin and it reacts. That's why I'm not going to do it 3 days. Others are doing it 3 days. I'm going to just try it for 1 day to know how it feels before I can, yes, proceed. Guys, my own is not coming out white. Oh my god, it's mint. Don't through my eyes. It's a disaster. My own is not coming out white like every other person's own. But it's still the same Colgate, right? So they say you have to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, this is mint. Oh my goodness, it's entering my eyes. Okay. Ooh, my skin. Will it clear up these black spots? It should, right? It should. I need to go and remove it from my face. I'm already feeling uncomfortable. So guys, let me go prep. So I'll take it off and tell you guys how it feels. And I'm not going to do it for 5 days. So welcome back to my channel. Be right back. So yesterday when I wanted to wash my face, Nigeria happened to us. Today is a brand new day. They took the lights, guys. They took the light and my ring light is not rechargeable. So this is the next day and guess what? I got another Colgate. So let me check if this is the white one because I really want to use the white one for this challenge. I will still talk about my experience of yesterday, how I felt, but let me check if this is the white Colgate. Guys, fingers crossed. The other one was lemon. This one now, the first one was black, the other one was lemon. Then this is what? Black! It's black, guys. We have a black Colgate. We have a white Colgate. This head. So we have a white Colgate. I'm going to be trying the challenge for the second time. It did not actually give me any discomfort, so we'll go again the second time. And this is it. I'm going to be adding a little, then mix it with my Vaseline. So guys, my mixture is ready, so let me apply it on my face. Okay, see, I like the white. It's much better with the white. It feels like a mask now. And the menthol in this one is not too strong. I'm not even feeling it. The other one was more mint. Hey, I take it back. Oh. I take it back. The way I scream, kai Lord. Why am I screaming here? Evil girl. Oh. Okay. I think they all have this menthol sensation. They all contain menthol, right? I believe the fluoride. Does this? I don't know. Okay, I think this one is much better. The one of yesterday was so strong. The menthol was so strong. Wow. I'm going to have it all over my face. Yesterday video, I was making it by 3 a.m. in the morning and it took the light. This is me making another one now by 3 again, because that's when I'm done praying and I decide to create content. And I'm begging they should not take this light. They should not even try me, else I'll not even post this content. Nigeria, my country. Nigeria. I love Nigeria. I love Nigeria. We just need to do better. We just need good governance. And we're good to go. So guys, I have the marks on now. And I'm still having this tingling sensation because there is menthol possibly in it. I would check it because I'm only seeing carbon and fluoride there, but there definitely should be a menthol in it because maybe those fluorides behave like this. So guys, I think I have this all over my face now. I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes and I go take it off. I'm setting my timer now. So guys, I've washed it off and this is what I have to say, guys. It's cool. This thing is very cool on my face. It's like so cool on my face, and my face feels smooth. My face feels smooth. Like, oh, you should definitely try this. You should definitely try this. You need to try this. It's so cooling, guys, and so smooth, and I love the sensation, the aftermath sensation, not the when you're applying a sensation. I feel so cool on my face, like when you use cold water to press your face. Adding cold water to your face is good for the skin, for your skincare. So guess what, this is added substance to my skincare. I would definitely be trying this out because I would watch this 2 days. I apply it on my face and I hope I don't start breaking out or purging. So if I don't break out or purge, and that means I would definitely try this again. I'm already loving it. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. I think my inquisitiveness has made me try out this challenge and I love it. So guys, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're going to try this out. It is harmless. See you guys. Bye.